And Marsh here to quickly talk about the role of caring in hitting sales targets. And by caring, I mean sales managers with a deep, abiding personal interest in caring for their sales reps and watching their reps develop. Now, I'm not a touchy-feely kind of a manager. I believe in tracking performance and activity. I think sales process should be rigorously followed, and I'm big on accountability. What I'm going to talk about, though, are based on lessons that I learned as an infantry officer in the Army and subsequently as a sales manager myself. So let's talk about how sales goals are normally tracked, why that's broken, and what's better. Sales targets are not motivating in and of themselves. The motivation comes from the secondary effects that vary by the person. In some cases, it's commission dollars that will be earned if the target is hit. In others, it's the recognition and the esteem which they will accrue, or perhaps the feeling of helping their team hit the goal and earn a bonus, or perhaps even the satisfaction of helping customers achieve their goals. But even that, in and of itself, isn't enough to motivate the consistent, unpleasant, and difficult behaviors necessary to achieve sales success. And that's one of the reasons why somewhere around 70% of sales reps now consistently miss quota. So what's the solution? Sales managers have to care. Not just care about doing their job and hitting the number, but care about their people. And not just to make sure they're paid and recognized for their work, but really caring at a much deeper level. Here's what I mean by that. Sales reps should have written personal goals, and sales managers should know what they are for everyone on their team. They should be as committed to helping their reps achieve their personal goals as they are to their own. And here's where that's really important. They need to tie the business sales goals to the achievement of the written personal goals. When they do that, and then intensely care about helping their team achieve them, they're able to improve performance, build loyalty, and develop their team personally and professionally. But it only works if they deeply, authentically, and genuinely care about each of them as people and commit to helping them achieve success.